Hey everybody, we are back for the 2018 season. This is just a short introductory video of what we're going to do this upcoming season, which I have no clue what we're going to do. So, it is what it is. We're going to do some videos, some vlogs, probably very few of those. We're going to do some testing, and we're going to do some instructional stuff. And one thing I decided to do is every time I'm on my motorcycle and I see somebody texting while driving, I'm going to put a stamp up. Kind of like the Kleb does his infinite fisties. I'm going to do texties. That's right. I'm going to do some texties. So if you're a driver on the roads of Rhode Island and you decide to text and drive and I catch you on camera, I will post it to YouTube. How about that? 5 seconds of fame? Whatever. But anyway, that's going to be the season knuckleball, is we are going to post everybody that is either texting or using the phone illegally, because in Rhode Island, as of June 1st, you cannot use a handset... Ooh, stogie. You cannot use a handset phone while driving. Has to be hands-free. I don't know about that law. I think I like the law, but I don't know. They probably weirded it weirdly to get some income, as they generate with all freaking laws. It's all about generation, money generation. Anyway, like I said, we don't know what we're doing this upcoming season. We've already done a couple of videos. Probably post some new stuff that I'm doing. If you look at some previous videos, you'll see what I might be doing in a new series. Please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and it actually helps us out. We're trying to hit that point where we're being monetized again. Help us out. Help yourself out. Remember, salute to the troops. Thank you for your service. Please recycle, reuse. Let's save this wonderful planet that we all text in. And peace out.